In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save courses on Coursera, a handy trick to stay organized and keep track of the courses you want to explore. If you're part of a sponsored learning program, saving courses is simple. On any course page, look for the Save or Heart icon and click it. The course will be added to your dashboard under your learning program, making it easy to return to whenever you're ready to start. If you're not in a sponsored program, you can still save courses manually. Go to the course page and copy its URL from your browser. Then, open a text file or spreadsheet, paste the course name and link, and create your own personalized list. This acts as a curated library of courses you can access anytime, keeping your learning organized and easily accessible. Whether using the built-in save feature or creating your own list, these steps make it easy to revisit courses, plan your learning path, and stay on top of your skills. Start saving your courses today and enjoy a more organized learning journey on Coursera.